You're gonna love the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.